Okay, folks, people tell me they like unboxing videos, so we're gonna do one. I got a box, and this box is it's an eBay turbo kit for that probe, which had a really good year running in the Optima series. You can see the stickers; it made it all the way to the Invitational. If you watch the Optima Search for the Ultimate Streetcar on MAV TV, you might see it. But it needs more power. It's still got a stock 160-ish horsepower V6 in it, and that was enough to get to the Invitational, but it wasn't enough to do much else. So let's see what you can get for $450 on eBay. Okay, we got it inside my messy, humble shop. So let's see what we get here. It's hard to do, just one-handed. I should have taped the camera to my forehead. All right. Ooh. There we go. All right, let's see here. Ugh. That's a big box. All right, there we go. All right, so we have some stuff. We got stuff. All right, let's see here. Got a big piece of styrofoam. Okay. Some paper. All right, we got some exhaust parts. All right, we got some gaskets. We need those. Need to call the guy that sold this to me and see if he'll send me some extra gaskets. Got a header. These are the same headers that are already on the car, actually, so now I have a spare set. Let's see here. That's the rearward header. So we actually won't use those because it already has a set on the car, so we're not going to mess with that. Let's see here. This is the up pipe. Connects. Here's the turbo flange. It's all very not expensive. It's supposed to be polished stainless. Let's see here. I wonder. Let's see if dropped it. Let's see here. Let's see what we have here. And all right. The flanges are steel. The pipes are stainless, which, means it's probably going to rot out from the inside at some point. But, whatever. Get the job done. Hard to keep enough. Here's the downpipe. Nice flex joint there. Let's set this over here on the floor. There we go. All right, what else have we got? We got smaller boxes. All right, this looks like some fun. All right. DNA motoring. Fuel pressure regulator. All right. Let's see what kind of fuel pressure regulator you get. The one in the picture was red. Let's see here. Got a box of something. So, oh, okay. That's a fuel pressure gauge. Okay. That's a nice touch. All right. Got some fittings. And we've got a nice looking adjustable rising rate regulator with a vacuum tap. So, okay, set that there. Get the box back up here. Put all that stuff away when we're done looking at it, right? What else we got here? We got another box here. Let's see what this is. DNA motoring. All right, open this up. Okay. That is the manual boost controller, which opens up one-handed. It's yeah, just a, oh look, boost up or boost down. Okay. Oh, comes with extra springs. All right. No joke, we're not actually going to use that because the Mega Squirtle lets us control that electronically. Oh, this is the EGR tube. I've deleted EGR. This is a, ooh, that's my finger noise. Plastic air horn for the turbocharger inlet. We're not going to use that. We will run a real inlet track and probably put an intercooler on it. So let's see here. What is this? OFL. What is OFL? Oh, okay. I think I know what this stuff is. I'm trying to do this right here. This crap. All right. This is the oil fittings. I should do the thing with the GoPro strap to your face. Here, I think I can set this here. Ah, so, yep, that is the oil feed and tap blocks to get oil to the turbocharger. Don't see any hardware yet. Well, that is on the box. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, what do we have now here? We've got box of hardware, bag of hardware, bag of nuts. All right, there's a coupler. Probably should get that air horn on the turbocharger. I mean, I end up using that. Okay, let's see what's in this box. Box looks important. It's foam. Oh, look at that. Okay. It's Wastegate. All right. Okay. Yeah. Got gaskets and a flange. Another gasket and flange. So this, yep, come out right there. Pull this sucker out. Nice, heavy duty, heavy. Good stiff spring. Like a knockoff of a teal. You know, we'll get it hooked up. So, put this here. There's most all this hardware down here. Now, alright, so no wastegate. So, we can do that. We don't have to use an internal gate, which is good, because internal gates are horrible. And now I am standing in the box. Here's the big thing. Let's see how well it packages it. Hilarious, right? Expensive item in the kit. Packaged in the yellow bag. Nothing there. Get the bag out of the way. Okay, hold on. There, we've got some gaskets. Yeah, we got gaskets. We'll need those. It's a nice steel gasket instead of these. Because these things, if you use them on a turbocharger flange or a wastegate flange, they burn through just almost instantly. So a nice steel gasket like this is good. It's actually really good. Let's set that down. Let's see here. We got to get into this. All right, I'm gonna set you down here again, and we will see. Whoops, if we can. All right, so I have a turbo. That's a cute one. All right, so it did have this plug. Should be in here. It should be in there. All right, let's see what we got here. So here's the turbo. Spins really freely. We've got these nice plastic covers over the holes for shipping. That's good. Look in here. We got some casting flash and metal in here, which I was actually expecting. Because you know the reason these things are so cheap from China is they don't do called quality control, right? So, you know, this is a real nice casting. The machine works good, but they don't see that schmutz in there, and they don't clean the parts, right? So the gamble here is, you know, you buy the eBay Turbo, and it fails because it's a mess. But what we're gonna do is, before this goes on the car, so you look down in there. I don't know if you can see it, but there's actually dirt in there. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually disassemble this thing, take the two sections apart, and clean them, right? And just get all the schmutz out. So I'm looking in here inside the journal. Not enough light, but I can actually see down there. And you know, there's assembly lube in the bearing that you can see is in there. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, got a little bit of shaft play, but it spins great. So that's it. So, you know, obviously this is by no means a complete bolt-on kit, right? You know, this turbo is essentially held on by the exhaust pipe. It's probably gonna need to fabricate bracing. There's no intake piping. You know, this is that's I'm not gonna use that. We're gonna put a filter and an intercooler on it. We need to get a solenoid to replace this thing, and we'll get started on that probably this weekend. Really, we'll get the car. We gotta get it up in the air on the jack stands and pop the hood. And I'm gonna take the front bumper off. I'm gonna repaint it, and we'll be getting ready, and we'll be heading after our Optima again next year. So stay tuned.